Hey everyone, welcome back to Enzo Next Level. If you just learned Python basics like print, input and math, you might be asking, what's next? Today I'll show you a free essential topic to master next: conditionals, loops and functions, all in just 5 minutes on Google Colab. First, let's talk about conditional statements, which allow your program to make decisions. Here's an example. Age equals int, input, enter your age. If age is equal to 18, print you and vote. Else, print you're not old enough to vote. This code checks your age and gives you a response. Super useful for interactive programs. 20, you can vote. Part 2. Loops. Next, let's learn loops, which let you repeat actions. For example, here's how you can print numbers from 1 to 5. For I in range 1 to 6, print I. You can also use a while loop for the same thing. Count equals 1, while count is less or equal to 5, then print count. Count plus loops are great for automating repetitive tasks. Finally, let's look at functions, which are reusable blocks of code. Here's a simple example. Define greet name, return f hello name, exclamation mark, print greet Alice, print greet Bob. Hello Alice, hello Bob. Functions help you keep your code clean and organized. You can call them whatever you need. And that's it. After learning print, input and math, your next steps are mastering conditionals, loops and functions. With these, you can create more powerful Python programs right now in Google Colab. If you enjoyed this quick guide, like this video, subscribe for more Python tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next one.